Max Jacob was born July 12, 1876, died March 5, 1944. He was a French poet, painter, writer, and critic. He was one of the first friends Pablo Picasso made in Paris. They met in the summer of 1901, and it was Jacob who helped the young artist learn French. Later, on the Boulevard Voltaire, he shared a room with Picasso, who remained a lifelong friend. Jacob introduced him to Guillaume Apollinaire, who in turn introduced Picasso to Georges Braque. He would become close friends with Jean Cocteau, Hugo, Christopher Wood, and Amedeo Modigliani, who painted his portrait in 1916. He also befriended and encouraged the artist Romanin, otherwise known as French politician, and future resistance leader Jean Moulin. Moulin's famous nom de guerre Max is presumed to be selected in honor of Jacob. Max Jacob is regarded as an important link between the symbolists and the surrealists, as can be seen in his prose poems The Dice Box. The famous psychoanalyst Jacques Lacan attributed the quote, "The truth is always new," to Jacob.